Guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for our daily chart breakdowns is AMC. I have my lines and graphs already set. I'm on the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. Let me go ahead and zoom in so we can see that. All right, so pre-market, we're up almost 3%. Yesterday, we closed down almost 4%. So let's get into where we're at currently. So you can see this clear downtrend that we've been in since we've hit this minor resistance. You can see that we have resistance tested here, here, and here, and obviously back over here. And we're pulling straight. And I told you guys if you had watched my other previous videos, that if we did not break above this resistance area, that we will be pulling back down to the next safest entry, that being at the 855 area. This can be tested as well. We look left, like Beyonce says, we can see we bounced off of this area over here. Underneath it was working as resistance. Back over here, this candlestick over here. So this is a heavily tested area. You have to respect these lines, you guys, because if not, they will show you who's boss. So and like I said, we're below this downtrend as well. On the RSI, you can see that we're pulling back. We're not quite oversold yet, so there is still some room for us to pull back. Like I said, right here would be probably the ideal area that we'll be pulling back down to. That is the 855 cent area. That would be a good entry. You can have your stop loss on the opposite side. Have it underneath maybe this candlestick wick or underneath these candlestick wicks. Either way, anything below this support line or anything below the 855 area could be a ideal stop loss. And then have your entry here, and then your first target should be back up here at this prior minor resistance, that at the $10.11, and then your second target being back up here at the 11 or 96 cent area. And then once we break above this resistance, then we'll talk about that later. As of right now, if we do start turning around right here, we come back up into this resistance, we still want to wait, like I said, until we can break above this resistance area. Once we can break above that, come up, come back down and retest this $12 area. That could be a good ideal entry if we do turn around, and then have your stop loss back on the opposite side, maybe at the 11.36 cent area, and that could be your stop loss. And then your first target would be back up here. So you have two ideal entries, you guys. Like I said, I never really want to tell you guys that we're going up or we're going down. In reality, what I'm just trying to show you guys is exactly what you're looking at. Where you could find ideal entries or the safer entries instead of getting in just right now, you know, and not knowing exactly what you're looking at. Okay, so you can clearly see that we're kind of almost in a parabolic move, not really, but we are almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candlesticks down on the daily chart. So that's a long pullback, you guys. But I already knew this was going to happen once we got rejected in this resistance area. Like I said, would be pulling back down to our support line. So I hope this video helped. I like to break down all these charts in the morning as fast and as efficient as possible. And if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you every single morning, Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Oh, hold on one second. Okay, that's tomorrow. AMC has a earnings report tomorrow, you guys. Be very careful. It's going to be very volatile when there's a earnings report. You always be very, very cautious. But other than that, have a beautiful day, you guys, and happy trading.